Tired of studying for hours and still not seeing results? What if I told you there's one simple technique backed by science that could literally boost your grades overnight? And no, it's not just another study app or a 10-hour YouTube video. Stick around. This could change the way you learn forever. Hey everyone, whether you're in high school, college, or even learning online for a career change, this technique applies to you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use it, why it works, and how you can start applying it tonight. Let's dive in. Here's the issue most students face: passive learning. You highlight everything, reread your notes 5 times, and binge lectures on double speed. But when the test comes, you blank out. That's because passive learning feels productive, but it's not effective. What actually works is a powerful method called active recall. So, what is active recall? It's the practice of retrieving information from memory without looking at your notes. Imagine trying to remember a phone number. You don't learn it by staring at it. You learn it by trying to recall it. It's the same with studying. Active recall trains your brain to pull knowledge out, not just push it in. And guess what? Top universities like Harvard and UC San Diego back this up. Studies show that testing yourself, instead of rereading, builds stronger, longer-lasting memory. It literally strengthens the neural pathways in your brain. When it's time to perform, the information flows out easily. Now let me show you how to use active recall step by step. You can start doing this tonight. Step 1. Close the book. After reading a section, stop and try to recall the main ideas without looking. Say them out loud or write them down. Don't worry if you mess up. That's how real learning happens. Step 2. Create your own questions. Take your notes and turn them into flashcard-style prompts. For example, instead of just writing photosynthesis, ask, what causes photosynthesis? Or, why is it important in plant biology? Your brain engages way more when it has to find the answer. Step 3. Test yourself regularly. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet, or keep it simple with a notebook. You can even record voice memos asking the questions, then play them back later and try answering. The key is repetition. When your brain sees the same question multiple times spaced out, it locks it in. I've seen students who thought they were bad at studying become top of their class in just a few weeks using this method. Want to take it even further? Combine active recall with the Pomodoro Technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Study using active recall, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This keeps your brain alert and avoids burnout. And here's a pro tip. Teach someone else what you just learned. Seriously, if you can explain it in simple terms, you understand it deeply. This is called the Feynman Technique, and it turns your recall into rock-solid mastery. Still not convinced? Let's look at real results. Students who consistently use active recall have gone from failing to acing exams. Medical students who have to memorize massive amounts of data use it daily. Whether you're studying for the SAT, a business exam, or just trying to keep up with online courses, this technique works. So don't just watch this and move on. Apply it tonight. Open your textbook or your laptop, close it after a section. Ask yourself what you just read. Create a few questions. Test yourself. Even 30 minutes of focused active recall can outperform 3 hours of passive studying. Now, before you go, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I share weekly tips just like this to help you study smarter, not harder. And let me know in the comments what subject or topic you're struggling with. I'll create a custom strategy for it. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart studying starts now.